Hello everyone. Today I will explain the stage of the installing process and use again acetylene welding before proceeding to explain. Let me introduce myself. My name is Sahat Simbolon. I am from shipbuilding PPNS of Surabaya and I from 4th grade A. Okay. So oxygen acetylene welding is the most basic type of welding tool. Many people call it welding carbide. Usually, oxygen acetylene welding and carbide welding are slightly different. What distinguishes them is the type of field use. So, today I will explain the process of how to install the tool and turn on the oxygen acetylene welding machine correctly. Oxygen acetylene welding has 5 tools. Number 1. Oxygen cylinder serves to increase the heat of the fire. And number 2. Acetylene tube serves as fuel to start a fire. Usually, acetylene tubes are smaller than oxygen cylinder. Number 3. Oxygen and acetylene regulator. To regulate the pressure coming out of the oxygen and acetylene cylinder. Number 4. Hose. To convey oxygen and the acetylene from the tube of the welding blender. And number 5. Blender. To mix and regulate the amount of oxygen and acetylene used. And right now, I will explain the procedure for installing oxygen acetylene equipment. The first time, attach the hose of the welding adjuster and blender. Usually the red color on the blender regulator and hose indicates blue acetylene and oxygen. After the hose is installed, don't forget to attach the hose clamp and tighten it securely. And then couple the regulator on the tube. If necessary, add a little pipe. Tap the threaded regulator to prevent leaks. Use a wrench and turn the nut clockwise to 16. Acetylene regulators usually have counterclockwise threads, so you have to turn them on counterclockwise to 16. And the last after the regulator is securely at the head. Open the tap on the tube just a little that check for leaks using foam and soapy water. If there are bubbles in the foam, it means there is a leak. 16. The regulator or at the tap if necessary. And the next stage. How to use oxygen acetylene welding? So I can explain how to use oxygen acetylene welding. And number 1, the first time, turn the acetylene faucet a little on the blender. Then light the fire using a match or lighter. After the fire is lit, slowly open the acetylene faucet until you see black smoke. After that, turn the acetylene faucet a little more until the black smoke disappears. Number 3. After that, open the oxygen tap on the blender slowly until you get a natural flame. After finishing welding, turn off the oxygen in the blender first. Then turn off the acetylene. After that, turn off the taps of the oxygen cylinder and acetylene tube. That's all that I explained to regulate the process the using oxygen acetylene welding. I hope this video can be useful. Thank you.